If you notice, it's not super bulky, but the most important thing is that you remove some of the pages and you just have a few pages. You can see here of the spaces where I remove pages. So in this case, I have an altar book. I hope you enjoy this video and please get inspired. Hello friends, this is Maria here, and today I'm gonna take you all the way through these pages into this altar book. I really love it and it's full of surprises. So let's start. In the first page I have a lot of butterflies. Here I have Happy Gardening Lady. I did a bunch of techniques here, like using acrylics with a stencil, also collages. This book is full of amazing things that I love. And as you can see here, I have a butterfly with some thread there. You have made my house beautiful. This is a stamp that I love. And basically what you do if you find a book, I love these books with hardcover because, I don't know, it's easier to work on them and they last for more time, and you can place them on your bookshelf. They stay more in a standing position. As you can see, this is a hardcover book, which I love. I covered with pieces of pages from an old book, and I did a lot of pouches in here. Like this was from a magazine and it says for anyone, but here it comes the first pouch or pocket, and I have this amazing tag made of a giraffe. Keep calm and plant a garden. So this is inspired in the brown color I gave to the whole book. This is another shape you can do. You glue two pages together and you build this pouch here where you can keep labels, you can keep notes, anything you want, ephemera. This comes from a bill from another country in South America, so I use it here. I love it and I keep it there. In this page I don't have really a pocket, but I love this composition here with plant happiness, and I use a little bit of cheesecloth here. And on this other page I have a lot of brown to match with that wooden piece of paper there. I have these two little boy and girl that I love, and I have this you and me. That's super meaningful for me and I love it. The back is full of details also, and as you can see, you just fold the page and glue only these parts up and down to the following page so you can have this pocket here. So I have this card that I love. I did some journaling in the back, and as you can see also I gave little shades in the borders of the pages so you can see the differences here. For example, this is the whole complete unit, and in this page I was inspired like pink color with an angel holding a dog. I love it. And in here I just glue two pages together, actually four, because this is two pages and that is another two pages where I did a pocket. And as you can see here, I have all this placed in this long pocket here that I love. You can journal in there. This is a doily, a paper doily, and here I have a beautiful angel also. This is an amazing tag. Sometimes you can be feeling like you don't want to use black, but it actually looks really great, and the contrast is amazing and I love it. And following this page over here, I have, as you can see here, the piece of doily. I use half in here, half in here, and half in there, so it's really cute. I have a lot of details. I built the whole vine using a stamp with one leaf. I have this used to be inside of a frame for a photo, and it's really old. These actually are real marks, but the back I did it with the distress vintage photo distress ink, so it gives the sense of old paper. I also love this page because it's a girl like crossing a bridge that can be related like to a situation or something you want to achieve or you want to get to the other side, so it's very meaningful for me. This is fabric flower. I open it and actually I use one of the petals in another book. This actually is also a ribbon. It's a fabric ribbon and I use a piece for that. It used to come from Italy, And I have this amazing fairy here that I love. I add this branch that is made out of fabric, and it gives like that contrast of green and brown. I really love it. On this page you can see the composition. I have 3 pages. Like, I fold this one in half, then the second one I fold it a little bit bigger, and then the last one is just a base where you can glue the first 2 pages here. So it gives you the opportunity to have a pocket here, another pocket there. I love this one. This used to come from a kid's book that says, "Look, there is a thorn bush growing in my living room chair," said the old lady. So, and that's the old lady. This is actually from a book, and I love it. So I keep it here. Have a nice day. And I have this pink around here, so I have pink there, pink, and pink in my letters. On this page there's a different composition that I also love, and as you can see, I glue another page folded in half in the back of this page that is already holding 2 more pockets. So what I did, it was I was going to build a belly band here, but then I ended like gluing the whole thing, and I made this other card with a sunflower that in any case I can go ahead and color. In here I have this amazing fairy. I cover it with glitter and in the color green that's gonna match with that green there and more green here. And I have this tag. I wrote my secret garden, and as you can see here, you fold 2 pages but in angle, like in a triangle, and then you glue it on top of a complete page, so you can have a pocket there and you can have a pocket back here. Now going more into the next page, we have here this amazing dragonfly. I love this sticker with the idea, and then it comes with flowers and the yellow, of course. I love it there. Here we have remember, and then I have like 2 more pockets where I keep this. I want to keep it here, and I build another vine using my stamp. Here in this page I was more inspired in like in a different colors. As you can see, I have a blue flower, then I have brown here. I did this with a stencil. Then I have a moth over here, enjoy life, and flowers need me. Here I have a huge pocket, and it's easy to make because you just glue 2 pages together only here and there, and then you have this amazing pocket. Actually, this is a super huge card from the same book about the thorn and the roses, and it says romance. And I also was inspired by roses, so I have these roses here, more roses. They became large roses, and 2 more pockets here, 2 more text box here, so you can place amazing ephemera and keep all your memories inside this altar book. Here I was inspired. I did this beautiful collage. It's small, but it's really cute. And on the last page I just have a little pocket. I made it with the same pages from the book, because you know that to do this altar book you need to remove a lot of pages so you can have space to do all the pockets. And I placed this on a music sheet, coffee dyed, and a blue flower, and of course this stamp over a heart. As you can see here, this is a beautiful altar book. This is a biography from an artist that I love, so I want to keep it here also in this amazing altar book. So as you can see here, if you notice, it's not super bulky, but the most important thing is that you remove some of the pages and you just have a few pages. You can see here of the spaces where I remove pages. So in this case I have an altar book. I hope you enjoy this video and please get inspired. I'll be waiting for you in my next video. Bye.